Do you think a raise will make you rich? Most people do. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Raises don't create wealth. They create comfort. And comfort is very different from wealth. Today, I'm going to show you why raises don't make you wealthy and what actually does. If you understand this, it can completely change how you use your next raise. Let's start with what usually happens. Now, let's flip the scenario. Instead of spending that $2,500, you invest it. Let's assume a modest 7% annual return. Over 30 years, that single yearly raise invested consistently could grow to over $200,000. Same raise, different decision, completely different outcome. This is the power of compounding. Raises don't build wealth. Ownership and investing do. Here's the mistake most people make. They focus on income. Wealthy people focus on assets. Income is what you earn. Assets are what grow while you sleep. If your raise only increases your spending power, you stay in the same financial position, just at a higher cost of living. Let's break this down into 3 practical actions you can use immediately. No hype, no unrealistic promises, just simple financial mechanics. The moment you get a raise, increase your savings rate before your brain adjusts, before your lifestyle expands. Even saving 50% of your raise changes everything. If your raise adds $2,500, automatically invest $1,250. Set it to transfer the same day payroll hits. If you never see it in your checking account, you won't miss it. Automation beats motivation every time. Don't just save it, invest it. Low-cost index funds, retirement accounts, broad market exposure. Keep it simple. The goal isn't complexity, it's consistency. Compounding needs 3 things: time, consistency, and leaving it alone. The earlier you start, the less you need. Raises are linear. Wealth is exponential. If you trade time for money, income has a ceiling. If you own assets or scalable systems, income has leverage. That might mean starting a small online business, investing in dividend-paying assets, learning skills that dramatically increase future earning power. When income scales beyond your time, that's when wealth accelerates. Let me give you a simple example. 2 people both get the same raise. Person A upgrades lifestyle. Person B upgrades assets. 10 years later, Person A needs the job. Person B owns investments. Same salary path, different wealth trajectory. The raise wasn't the difference. The behavior was. Here's your simple checklist for your next raise. Increase savings immediately. Automate investments. Avoid instant lifestyle upgrades. Track net worth, not just salary. Salary impresses people. Net worth gives freedom. Raises feel like progress. But wealth is built quietly. In accounts nobody sees, in assets nobody talks about, in habits most people ignore. Your next raise can disappear, or it can change your financial future. The difference is a decision. If this changed how you think about raises, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance content, and comment below, what will you do with your next raise? Because remember, raises don't make you wealthy, but how you use them absolutely can.